Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Salesforce Web-to-Lead setup for landing pages, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the setup icon, usually found in the top right corner. In the quick find box, type Web-to-Lead. Select Web-to-Lead from the drop-down menu. Ensure that the Web-to-Lead feature is enabled. If it is not enabled, click the checkbox to activate it. Scroll down to find the Web-to-Lead form section. Click on the Create Web-to-Lead Form button. Select the fields you want to include in the form. Consider including fields such as name, email, and company. Scroll down to the bottom of the form settings. Click on Generate to create the HTML code for your form. Copy the provided HTML code to your clipboard. Now, navigate to your landing page editor. Open the page where you want to add the Web-to-Lead form. Locate the section where you want to insert the form. Paste the copied HTML code into this section. Save your changes in the landing page editor. Return to Salesforce and verify that the lead assignment rules are set properly. You may need to adjust your lead assignment settings if necessary. Once all settings are in place, conduct a test submission through your landing page. Check Salesforce to confirm that the lead has been successfully recorded. If needed, make adjustments to the form or settings based on your test results. Document any changes made to maintain a clear record. Monitor your leads regularly to ensure the process is functioning smoothly. With these steps completed, your Salesforce Web-to-Lead setup for landing pages is fully updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.